Did you know that the Pontiac Trans Am once outsold the Chevrolet Corvette by a staggering 5-to-1 margin? This surprising fact underscores the Trans Am's monumental impact on car culture, capturing the imagination of enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. Its popularity was not just a matter of numbers. It was a reflection of the Trans Am's unique ability to embody the spirit of freedom and rebellion that defined an era. The Trans Am, born in 1969 as a high-performance version of the Firebird, quickly became an icon of American muscle cars and a symbol of rebellion in pop culture. With its aggressive styling and powerful engine options, the Trans Am stood out as a beacon of performance and style. It wasn't just a car. It was a statement, a rolling testament to the power and allure of American automotive engineering. However, the Trans Am faced numerous challenges over the years, including stricter emission regulations, rising fuel costs, and shifting consumer preferences towards more practical vehicles. These obstacles threatened to stifle the spirit of the muscle car era, pushing manufacturers to innovate or risk obsolescence. Yet, the Trans Am persevered, adapting to the changing landscape while maintaining its core identity. Despite these obstacles, the Trans Am evolved, with each generation showcasing innovative designs and performance upgrades, culminating in his unforgettable starring role alongside Burt Reynolds in the 1977 film Smokey and the Bandit. This cinematic appearance not only highlighted the car's sleek aesthetics and raw power, but also cemented its place in pop culture history. The Trans Am became a star in its own right, synonymous with adventure and the open road. This movie appearance catapulted the Trans Am to unprecedented fame, resulting in a sales boom that saw over 93,000 units sold in 1978 alone. A pivotal moment that cemented its place in automotive history. The success was a testament to the car's enduring appeal and the perfect synergy between Hollywood and the automotive world. It was a defining moment that ensured the Trans Am's legacy would endure for generations. The Trans Am's legacy lives on today, cherished by car enthusiasts for its bold styling, raw power, and cultural significance, serving as a testament to an era when American muscle ruled the roads. Its story is one of resilience and adaptation, a reminder of the golden age of muscle cars. As we look back on its storied past, we invite you to share your favorite Trans Am memory in the comments and explore more about classic cars in our next video.